So welcome to today's talk, and I'm going to talk about a very interesting remedy again today. We are going to talk about the remedy prepared from tomato or Lycopersicum, belongs to Solanaceae family, and I hope that you find this talk very interesting because I'm going to talk about how to use it in practice. The number one thing is it's a very important remedy for rheumatism and influenza, like a flu-like state, and especially after fever when joint pain, aching, pains remain. See the Boric what is written third line. Pains left after influenza. Very important. Lycopersicum 30. Give 2 times a day for about 3-4 days, and you can see a beautiful change. Hay fever with aggravation from leaf dust almost reminds you of Justicia adatoda and bromium. Let's see further. Bursting type of pain beginning in occiput like belladonna, whole pain, sore, bruise pain. Dull pain in the eyes, eyes are contracted, aching, suffused, again reminds you of belladonna. Profuse watery coryza with itching in anterior chamber aggravated by dust, better by indoors. And constant dribbling in open air. Pain in chest going to head and expulsive kind of cough. Dry cough coming at night, keeping it away. Heart related pathology and also sharp pain in right deltoid and pectoris muscles, pain in middle of right arm, rheumatic pain in right elbow, and intense aching in lower limbs. So tingling along right ulnar. So this is a little bit about this remedy. Better by tobacco, better in warm, and aggravated by continued motion, jar, and noise. So this is a little bit about the remedy Lycopersicum. It has a very important remedy for right deltoid muscle here. So frozen shoulders, think about it along with sanguinaria, and along nose, it's very important for strong coryza, which is like cepa, ileum cepa, and there is also important for polyuria, and that's why very important for diabetes. For diabetes, you should think about this remedy. There's a lot of jealousy in this remedy, especially in children when new baby takes attention of the family. Very interesting, given by Massimo Manzavori. It's a new thing that I learned today. And other than that, let's see anything mind state. Alcoholism is there, so they often can be addicts. Um, what else? Darkness. So there's a lot of fear of Solanaceae, fear, delusion, devil sees red. There's also a lot of ego. He's a great person. Delusion, persecuted, very important. Dreams of bats, blood. So again, lot of fear. Dreams of persecution. Someone is doing something to him. This is a little bit about it. Fear of being buried alive, like Chelidonium. Fear of crocodiles. Fear of devil being taken by. So a lot of fear. Fear of shark, single remedy. Fear of spider. Fear of vampires. Jealousy. So very can be little fearful and shy also. Well feels very ill before influenza. Wheeler has given this even before headache. So this is a very interesting indication for this remedy, and I hope you found it interesting, the talk, and I hope that some of you are excited that my new book is going to be launched on different repertories on Nair, Kent, Fatak, Boger, Bonninghausen, and this will be published on 14th of Feb. I'm looking forward to all of you to read this book, and I'm very excited that you might like this book. Thank you.